A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our science class. In the previous class, we have started with the chapter number 10. I hope that you all are regularly studying whatever I taught you in the previous class. So in today's class, we will be starting our next topic, that is simple machines. Simple machines, from the name itself we can say that these machines, they are very simple. They are used in our day-to-day life to make our work easier. What are the example of the simple machines? Like lever, inclined plane, screw, wedge, pulley. This all are the example of the simple machines. So we will be studying one by one so that it would be clear to you. First of all, let us study about lever. What is lever? It is a simple machine. It is used to lift heavy objects. The heavy objects, they are lifted with the help of the lever. It is used to open the lid of a tin or cut things. What are the examples of this? We can say the bottle openers. The bottle openers like the Pepsi, your sauce bottle, you used to open with the opener. This is a bottle opener, so it is an example of lever. This bottle opener, it is a very simple machine. The next is scissor. Scissor, it is used to cut the different things, so it is an example of the lever. This one, it is known as the seesaw. It is also an example of the lever. And knife. The knife, it is also an example of the lever. Why? Because knife, it is used to lift the tin, lift the lid of the tin. So sometimes we used a spoon to often open the lid of a tin. So the spoon, it also acts as a lever. The spoon, it may also act as a lever when we used to open the lid of a tin. The second one is the inclined plane. What are inclined plane? Inclined plane is a slope. It is used to move down a heavy object. Any heavy object, it is moved down to an inclined plane. Heavy cartoons are loaded into a truck by pushing them on an inclined plane. Ramp, slanted road and slides are example of the inclined plane. What are the example of the inclined plane? The ramp near your house so that your vehicles it easily move into the garage. It is an example of the inclined plane. The ramp, slanted roads, slides. The slides, they are there in the park. So the slides, these are also the example of the inclined plane. The third one is the screw. What is the use of a screw? It is used to hold the things together. How do the screw it look like? It looks like a nail. This is a screw. It is used to hold the different things together. A screw looks like a nail. It is a inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. A screw has a broad head and a pointed tips. It is used to hold different things. Like this is a screw. You can see its top, it is broad and the tip, it is pointed. So it is an example of a screw. The nail, it looks like a screw itself. The next step we will be studying about wedge. What is wedge? It is used to cut things. It is a simple machine that consists of two inclined planes attached to form a sharp edge. It is used to cut things. Eggs and knives are example of wedge. This is an example of the wedge. It is used to cut the different things. Next, knives. Knives, they are also the example of the wedge. The next that we will be studying, it is the wheel, and the next is the fifth one. The two more simple machines are left. The next is the wheel and the axle. The fifth one, it is the wheel and axle. What is this? In wheel and axle arrangement, a rod passes through the wheel. This rod is called axle, and axle helps to turn the wheel. The wheel and axle helps to move heavy object. Screwdriver, steering wheel and wheels in a vehicle are example of wheel and axle. What are the example of wheel and axle? Like screwdriver. The screwdriver you have seen in your home. The screwdriver, it is used to move the screw. So the screwdriver, it is an example of the wheel and axle type of simple machine. The last that we will be studying is the sixth one, that is the pulley. So what is a pulley? It consists of a grooved wheel and a rope. It is used to lift heavy loads easily. What is the use of the pulley? You have seen the pulley in the wells. The rope is there. To the rope the bucket it is attached, and that rope it moves from a pulley, and we used to easily pull that rope, and the bucket full of water, it used to come up. The bucket filled with the water, it is very heavy, and with the help of the pulley the bucket it easily moves up from the well. So the pulley, it is used to lift heavy objects. So in today's class we have studied about the simple machines. So today you have to revise the simple machines. Let us have a quick revision. Simple machines. What are simple machines? They are very simple. We use these simple machines in our day-to-day life. The first one is the lever. What is lever? The lever, it is used to lift a heavy object or to cut an object. What are the example of the lever? Like the scissor, it is used to cut the things. It is an example of the lever. The next, it is the bottle opener. This is the bottle opener. The cold drink bottle you can easily open with this bottle opener. It is an example of the lever. The knife, it is an example of the lever. Even the spoon, it is an example of the lever. The second one that we have studied, the simple machine, it was the inclined plane. What are the example of the inclined plane? Like slides in the park, the slides are there. Second thing, ramp. Ramp is there in your house so that easily the vehicle it can move into the garage. So it is an example of the inclined plane. The inclined plane, it is used to move heavy object easily. The third one that we have studied is the screw. The screw, how do the screw it looks like? It looks like a nail. It is having a broad front, and if you see the tip it is pointed. It is used to hold different things together. The next, it is the wedge. The wedge, it is used to cut the things. The knife, it is an example of the wedge. With the help of the knife we used to cut the things. We used to cut the thing with the help of the axle. It is also an example of the wedge. The next, we have studied about the wheel and axle. What are the example of it? Like screwdriver. Screwdriver, it is used to open the screws. So it is an example of the simple machine. Last is the pulley. The pulley, it is used to lift the heavy objects. So that's all for today's class. Be at home, be safe, take care everyone, and have a nice day.